Anti-corrosion coatings, the key to long-lasting instrument performance. Corrosion is a major threat to industrial instruments, leading to malfunctions and costly repairs. Protecting them with the right anti-corrosion coatings ensures long-term reliability. Types of anti-corrosion coatings. Metallic coatings. Zinc and aluminum coatings create a protective barrier against moisture and oxidation. Organic coatings. Paints, epoxies, and polymers seal surfaces to prevent corrosion. Ceramic coatings. Highly resistant to heat and chemicals, ideal for harsh environments. Application methods. Spraying, a quick, even coat for large surfaces. Dipping, fully submerging components for complete protection. Electroplating, a controlled process that enhances durability. Choosing the right coating extends instrument lifespan, reduces maintenance, and boosts efficiency. Investing in corrosion protection keeps operations running smoothly.